day 9 of the Yeppoon to Bundaberg bike race. In front of us we've got the team leader of the Rio Tinto racing team, John O'Brien, coming into the first drinks break of the day. He's done a great job to lead the team into first position on the 9th morning of the Yeppoon to Bundy ride, coming into Bundy. He's out of the saddle, he's up the hill. Look out, he's on the move, and he's coming in, and we've got the police coming in the opposite direction, so that should be fun. He's out of the saddle again.